we're replacing the bad rotors on Nissan Pathfinder. First, what we're going to do, chock your wheels, set the jack under the vehicle and raise it up, like so. Never trust the hydraulic jacks, always use the jack stands for your safety. Put it underneath, remove the lug nuts. There we go. Remove the wheel. Alright, now we're going to check the thickness of the rotor. Nissan Pathfinder rotor's thickness should be minimum 26 millimeters when standard thickness is 28. Measure that. Let's see what we have. As you can see, a rotor has deep grooves and score marks, and that uneven steep edge on outside. Alright, there's a moment of truth. Okay, minimum thickness must be 26 and we are 26.8. Okay, next we need to remove the brake caliper. There's a two 19mm bolts at the back. Get them done. Bad rotors can cause the vibrations and shaking when you apply the brakes, noisy brakes, and as a result it will increase the stopping distance. Okay, we have one bolt out. There's one more on the bottom. Remove that. Nice and easy. Okay, don't hand the brake caliper on a brake line. It can cause some damage. Just use the rubber bungee cord or just a piece of wire. Let it hang it like that. And make sure that brake line won't be twisted when you're ready to install. Check for that. Here we go. As you can see, my brake caliper is hanging on a bungee cord and the brake line is not twisted, it's straight. Here we go. Now we can remove the rotor. That's old one, and I have another couple used rotors in a good condition. We're going to use them. They will be okay for another year or two. I will always recommend you to put a new rotors. That's better, but whatever you have depends. Okay. To put a rotor back. Okay, now time for the brake caliper. Yeah, I know you might ask the question, oh, that is looks the same. Yeah, because it's used and it still has some thickness and it's in specs. We're going to use that for some time and eventually put a new one. So this time we don't have a new one, but we have a decent used. Alright, start those caliper bolts by hand first, one on top, one on the bottom. Make sure you just can do a few threads by hand and then torque with a power tool. Tied it up. Okay, same way, top and bottom. Yeah, it's safe. Make sure it's not cross-threaded. It's pretty simple. You just feel it. Okay. Tie the bolt up. Like so. Now time for a torque wrench. Torque those two bolts to the specs. Check your brake line, make sure it's straight. Just remember that. Put your wheel back. started those lug nuts by hand. Yeah, and I will really appreciate if you like the video or it helped you. At least it will might help someone one day. And yeah, just give me a favor, subscribe to the channel. It really will help to grow the channel and help more people and sharing the knowledge and information, some skill. Lower down your vehicle. It's on the ground. Okie dokie. Now you need to torque the wheel to the specs, torque that up, and yeah, you're good to go. Pretty simple, didn't take us long. One wheel took me around 20 minutes. Thank you so much guys for watching. Very appreciated your time. If you have any questions, please ask down in the comments below and consider to subscribe to the channel. Alright, see you next time. Stay safe and have a great day. Bye bye.